HVAC systems are used in a wide variety of applications, including residential, homes, apartments, condominiums, and townhouses. Commercial, offices, stores, restaurants, hotels, and hospitals. Industrial, factories, warehouses, and manufacturing plants. Institutional, schools, colleges, universities, and government buildings. Transportation, cars, trucks, buses, trains, airplanes, and ships. HVAC systems are used to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures throughout the year, regardless of the outdoor conditions. They can also be used to improve indoor air quality by removing pollutants and allergens. Here are some specific examples of where HVAC systems are used. In homes, HVAC systems are used to heat and cool the air, as well as to provide humidity control. This can help to prevent respiratory problems and to keep the home comfortable for all occupants. In commercial buildings, HVAC systems are used to create a comfortable working environment for employees and customers. They can also be used to control humidity levels and to prevent the growth of mold and mildew. In industrial settings, HVAC systems are used to maintain a safe and productive working environment for employees. They can also be used to protect equipment from damage caused by extreme temperatures or humidity levels. In institutional buildings, HVAC systems are used to create a comfortable learning or living environment for students, patients, or other occupants. They can also be used to control infection control in hospitals and other healthcare facilities. In transportation, HVAC systems are used to provide a comfortable and safe environment for passengers and crew. They can also be used to protect cargo from damage caused by extreme temperatures or humidity levels. Thanks for listening. Please share and like. Much more in the description.